Yes, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sebi. The Nervino that we had to do a lot with my eyesight and my nerve. We studied a lot of my nerve. That often marked for us being invisible energy and my being. Are you planning in the future to bring that back?
Yes, the Nervino. Everybody's asking for the Nervino. And I thought that I was doing something good for you. So I put together the brain food. But I took some Nervino the other day, and I realized I made a mistake. I never felt so good, and I was wondering, what did I take today that is so different? I always feel good. I always feel energy. I always have the energy, but I didn't have that calmness, you know, that serenity. And I remember that it was the Nervino. In fact, I told my wife this morning when I was talking to her, we got to bring back the Nervino. So you're right. You're right. It'll be back. Mr. Charles Gray will be carrying that.